You may be a manager, business leader, someone who leads other people in a team. And very often what happens is you're having an appraisal with someone, or you're going over a situation and you're analysing why someone maybe didn't get results. I come from a sales background, and sales managers are famous for when people don't get, I was one myself, when people do not get their targets, they start analysing the actions. So what did you do? What didn't you do? What could you do better? People keep talking about the actions, things that people keep doing. They forget that there's a whole other inside world with that person. And by finding out how that person is feeling about something and what they're actually saying to themselves is a vital part of information that is missing. So the next time you're working with someone, instead of just focusing on the actions, go back, start to talk to them, ask them questions like, so when you were thinking of this situation, how did it make you feel? Were you comfortable about it? Did it make you feel apprehensive? That way you're actually identifying what's going on within that person. You may even want to ask them, what are you saying to yourself? What were you thinking? Now, I know that there's a big difference in results from someone who starts off something and they think, yes, I'm doing this, I will achieve this. They feel really, really confident. Nothing's going to wait for them. They do whatever has to be done and they get that result. Now, there could be someone else that's expected to get the same result, but meanwhile, they're busy still doing everything, but inside, they feel really uncomfortable. They're not sure, they may be nervous, they may be saying to themselves, I'll never be able to do this. This is impossible, this is really hard for me. And straight away their physiology changes. And this change in the physiology drives their energy levels. So if you're saying things to yourself that make you feel really uncomfortable or fearful or scared, what's happening here is that it actually zaps your energy. It becomes really hard to pick up that phone. It becomes hard to walk into that appointment feeling really confident. So now when you're working with people, start to notice how they're thinking, how they're feeling, what they're doing, and what results they're getting. Because how someone's thinking, the thoughts they're saying to themselves, how someone's feeling, and the actions that they do all drive towards the results they get. So this is the TFA equals R, the thoughts, feelings, actions equals results. Once you really master understanding the importance of what's happening when people are thinking and feeling and how this impacts on the action results, and help them change the way they think, you can get different results. Now, to give you an example of changing the way someone thinks, if someone's saying to themselves, I'll never be able to do this, you can ask them, how would it be if you could do it? Start to imagine other times when you knew you could do something really well. How does this feel now? And just notice how helping someone change the way they think about something changes the way they feel, changes the energy they have to take the action to get the results you want. So have fun with this, and we'll see you in the next video.